Folks, the people of this nation have spoken. They've delivered us a clear victory, a convincing victory, a victory for we the people. I sought this office to restore the soul of America, to rebuild the backbone of this nation, the middle class, and to make America respected around the world again. And I'll have the honor of serving with the fantastic Vice President who you just heard from, Kamala Harris, who makes history as the first woman, first black woman, the first woman from South Asian descent, the first daughter of an immigrant ever elected in this country.
But while I may be the first woman in this office, I will not be the last. Because every little girl watching tonight sees that this is a country of possibilities.
For all those of you who voted for President Trump, I understand the disappointment tonight. I've lost a couple times myself, but now let's give each other a chance. It's time to put away the harsh rhetoric, lower the temperature, and to make progress, we have to stop treating our opponents as our enemies. They are not our enemies, they are Americans. Spread the faith. God love you all. May God bless America, and may God protect our troops. Thank you, thank you, thank you.